Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on Ford Edge here guys, but if you have Lincoln MKX it will apply to it as well because both vehicles share the same platform and they share many components guys. We will show you guys how to remove and how to replace the windshield wiper switch, also known as turn signal switch. Stay with us and we'll explain what needs to be done guys. Not very complicated video. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge guys and Lincoln MKX, we'll be making at least 200 videos guys. Why we take our cars completely apart guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now if you guys need to buy replacement parts, tools, anything like that for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below guys, and you can see where we purchase everything from for the shop, and usually we get pretty good price and fast shipping as well guys. So this is guys a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll demonstrate on. This is the switch that I'm talking about, okay, for turn signals and windshield wipers. Stay with us and we'll show you guys what needs to be done to remove and replace it now. What you need to do first, okay, we need to pull the steering wheel all the way forward, okay, forward like that, and we can just leave it unlocked for now guys. We'll need to remove that cover on the bottom first, okay, that will be the first thing that we need to do. Torx 25, okay, start looking a bit like this one guys, and here, okay, we have one screw that we need to remove. Okay, let me see if I can find it. Okay, one screw right there guys, coming out. I just dropped it. Let me show you what it looks like. This is it. Now we have another screw right here in this hole. Okay, almost almost there guys. It's like fishing, trying to get it here because I cannot look at it. Second screw coming out. Now the third one is actually a bolt guys. You have to be extremely careful. This is a bolt, fine threaded bolt. Okay, this one came out as well. Now I'm going to pull the steering wheel guys. What I'll do, I'll get a plastic panel removal tool. Okay, and we need to separate these two somehow guys. Okay, they have a few clips here. Okay, perfect. Now let me show you. We'll come on this side. We'll do the same thing here guys. Okay, we need to disconnect it somehow. Okay, let me just grab it with two hands and see if I can do it because... Okay, now grab that thing, come around the key, pull that plastic out. You don't need it there anymore guys, it can come out of the vehicle, okay, just like that. Now we can continue guys, okay, with the next step here. Once you guys remove that cover, okay, you can see this is where the switch is located. So with the same guys Torx 20 star looking bit that we used earlier, okay, we're going to remove two screws, one right there on the bottom of the switch, and then we have guys one on top left corner towards the front. This one is out too. Now what else we need to do right here guys, you grab the switch, you need to disconnect it. How? Simply press in here, okay, and pull it out, and this is guys the switch out of here. You can see just like that. That's how you guys remove it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.